The following is a brief installation overview of your new Inspire Series shower. Before you begin, please check that all the materials you ordered are present and damage-free. We also recommend you dry fit all parts prior to and also during installation. This video is not a replacement for the full installation manual. Before starting, ensure you have the following tools and hardware on hand: a 3 to 6 foot level, an electric drill, utility knife, a pencil, plumb bob, a square, tape measure, 100% silicone adhesive, a Phillips screwdriver, safety gloves, goggles and boots, hole saws, a 1/8 inch drill bit, flathead screwdriver, wood shims, number 8 1 3/4 inch flathead screws, an inside cutting tool, and plumber's grease. Before installing, we recommend extra wood backing for possible future seat installation. Ensure the subfloor opening is approximately 10 inches by 10 inches. Using the plumb bob and measuring in 3 places, ensure the walls are plumb. Further ensure overall dimensional integrity by using the level to check all studs are lined up and even. Check for square on the floor corners. For unlevel subfloors, apply a fast-curing thin-set tile mortar to achieve a level base for the shower pan. The cure time can be as little as 2 hours. Once ensuring the subfloor is level, clean, and dry fit the floor pan. A perfectly level shower pan ensures proper draft to drain. Mark the exact placement and take note of the serial number. Remove the floor pan and install the drain assembly. Apply a silicone bead around the entire drain opening. Press in the threaded drain flange, and then add the rubber gaskets and hand tighten the nut. And remove the excess silicone. Put the base back in the previously marked position. Check the floor of the shower is sloped towards the drain. Remove the floor once more and apply 3 tubes of silicone adhesive to the subfloor. Please note the recommended adhesive pattern. The adhesive should be applied in a height that ensures contact with the base as it sets in place, which means each bead should be 3/4 inch or greater. Put the base back in the previously marked position once more to double check level. Check again that the shower floor slopes toward the drain. Now protect the pan surface for the remainder of the install. At each stud location, pre-drill 3/8 inch down from the top of the flange. Shim where necessary, and hand tighten each screw, then remove the excess shim. To complete the floor drain, cut the drain pipe even with the top of the rubber gasket using an inside cutting tool. Using plumber's grease, lubricate the inside of the rubber gasket and slide over the drain pipe with the bevel edge facing up. Push down until it sets itself. Screw the compression ring into place until tight. Snap the grid plate into place. While the adhesive is curing, either brace or use weights to get a full and proper adhesion of the pan to the level subfloor. Once the pan is secure, place the bottom back wall into position, lining up center grout lines with the weeping hole. Check for level and plumb. Mark 3/8 inch down, shim where necessary and pre-drill. Screw and hand tighten to each stud. Slide the upper back wall into place. Check level, plumb, and that both the upper and lower back wall align properly. Ensure they are both attached to the same stud. Add a block of wood if necessary, as shower walls should span a common backing. Mark shim if necessary, pre-drill, then hand tighten the upper wall to each stud. Lift sidewalls up and slide down into place. Check the top is flush with the back wall. After checking for plumb and level, shim where needed, pre-drill, and hand tighten into each stud. On the appropriate wall, pre-drill using a hole saw the precise locations to allow for hardware access. Remember to tape the areas to protect the finish. Slide the wall down into place and check for alignment and level. An additional check for level, square, and proper seating of the wall is to ensure the reveal overhang is consistent along the bottom. And as before, shim if necessary, pre-drill and hand tighten into each stud. Silicone all the wall-to-wall and wall-to-base joints. And now your new Inspire Series shower is installed.